everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite cookies. These are really quick and easy and absolutely delicious. They are maple pecan cookies, so they have maple syrup and pecans, and they come out nice and crispy on the outside, a little bit soft on the inside, and when you leave them around, they can get a little bit soft after a day or so, and you just put them back in the oven, 350 degrees for another 5 to 10 minutes, and they'll crisp right back up again. So they'll last a long time that way. And let me show you how to do it. We're going to start out by making a vegan egg by taking 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk and a 1/4 cup of water. Mix that up and just let it sit for a few minutes to thicken. Then we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of vegan butter and just cream that into the mixture. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 3/4 cup of maple syrup. And mix that all together. And then we're going to add in our dry ingredients. So we're going to start with a cup of brown rice flour, 2/3 cup of almond flour, 1/3 cup of arrowroot starch, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and just mix that all together until it's nice and even and smooth. And then we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Mix that all together and chill it for about 30 minutes. And then we're going to take spoonfuls of the batter, place it on a baking sheet covered with parchment paper. Make about 1-inch size balls of the batter, and then just flatten them out with the back of a spoon or your hand. And then we're going to bake at 375 for about 12 to 14 minutes. They should get a little bit browned on the edges. And let them cool, and they are ready to eat. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more great recipes, and like and subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time.